way, you're all participating as equals, except for the individual task and the individual officers. So some of you may have given you ideas, of which some of the ideas may have been accepted by the group, some of the ideas may have not been accepted by the group. Therefore, to give you a chance, an opportunity to do a task the way you want to, as per your own plan, we have this next task known as commander, where each one of you is going to be made commander of a task which is similar to one of the obstacles of the progressive group task or similar to the half group task. All the rules apply except for the group. Now, as a commander, to help you do the task, you can choose 2 members from the rest of the group as your subordinates. Normally it will be 2 or 3 depending on the group structure. So choose 2. So if the material is available, you can simultaneously do at least 3 or 4 command tasks. Now, as a subordinate, you just follow the instructions of the commander. You will do nothing directly, nothing indirectly. You will not make any suggestions. In short, you will not open your mouth, because ultimate responsibility is the commander's. So full help is to be given to the commander in completion of his or her task. Now, as a commander, you are a leader. You have to work with your team in completion of your task, not just stand at the start line and start issuing orders. You also have to go along with your subordinates to the finish line. Otherwise, if the objective is different, follow the instructions to meet your objective. Any doubts? No. Various structures, blue and white stone. Towards this side is blue, that side is white. This blue and white stone, that side is blue, that side is white. Red and white stone. This bench is half blue, half white. This bench, can you see? Blue from here. Here till here is blue. Here till here is white. That bench is half blue, half white. This bench is white, blue. Center, can you see this? Center is red. Red. This is white. White, red, white, blue. There's a blue and white stone. Helping material. One plank, one body, one rope.
Okay friends, this is our task. We are working as a team. So this is our start line and that's our finish line. We have our only goal is to finish the, to reach the finish line and to pass all these obstacles carefully. Okay? We don't have to, there are many penalties for them, red sign, blue signs. So we have to keep in mind that these are all the precautions and we have to cover, pass out all the obstacles and till reach to the finish line. Okay, let's do it as a team. Okay, start. We can go, this is less than 4 feet, so we can go easily. Okay. I think we have to, this is also less than 4 feet. Okay. Give me a plank over only. 1 person only. Okay. Thank you. Okay, you can come here. Pass this. Yeah. Okay. Give me that plank. We put this plank like
This one.
please. It's not touching the ground. And the distance is approx 4 feet, है ना? Friends, I think we can go this way. Okay, give me a rope. I think it will touch the this. I think. Okay, now it is okay and also balanceable, so we can easily pass that obstacle. Okay, so come and follow me. I'll go first. Let me ensure first. Okay, let's come. Give me the plank first. Pass easily, make balance. And this one is red, okay? So please Okay. Okay. Okay, Prakash. You have to remove that rope from over there. Please. There's a blue. Okay. You have to tie the rope with me. You have to tie the rope over there so that it shouldn't touch the blue. Yeah. Easy. Can I tie you? Yeah. Good. Yeah. Yes, good. Okay. Now keep the plank like it was before. Place the like it was before. Here, right? Back. To adjust to रोप आगे मूव करिए पीछे little more yes that's fine okay now place it yeah is it working
Him?
okay
No, but he's not a psychologist.
shouldn't touch the
But he does
little more just place the rope over here yes
Not actually a qualified psychologist.
it's working now na?
Okay, hold it.
No, sir. Now you can come.
Yes, sir. I will come back to you.
Come fast.
Okay.
It's not touching the. Yes. You can come now. Okay.
Somebody else.
Sir. Rotate. Rope should not touch the blue color and plank also. Move the rope little forward.
मोटा सा बंद मोटा
Okay, let's make the rasti again.
Tie the rope in such a way that it should be a little higher in one side. Okay. So that the plank should be one side higher than shouldn't touch the blue color. Video was real.
थोड़ा सा इधर उधर भी
मैं समझ गया.
वो समझ जाएगा मैं क्या करूँ
Yes, Prakash, no, you will. Yes, Mr. That's it. Yes. Okay, you can come in. Come fast. Give me a hand. Yeah. You are a little stronger. I think you can. Yeah. Okay. Give me support. Yeah. I'll support you on that.
Okay, 66. 66.
Yes. Okay.
Just a minute. Now.
Yes. Good. Yeah. Oh, easily. Let me go first. Okay. Let's go ahead. Come on.
क्या कर रहे हो
Okay, friends, when we did it.
Okay, so ready to take command off.